In a previous movie, I looked at the document content analysis for this project. I've done a little bit more work on the project now, and I've started to introduce things like the front steps. But if we have a look back at this document content analysis, it had the idea that we'd have garden 1 and garden 2. We'd kind of figured out what scale it would be. We'd kind of figured out which areas we needed to cover. So let's have a look at the drawings that we started to work on. So I do have a site plan. So there's my site plan there. There's room here for my area scheduling. And I've got here my drawing label. There it is there. I can move that to the other side if I want. Put it there. I can move it down the bottom, across here. So I can just put it wherever is convenient. And there's the other one as well. The other thing you can do once you're inside the annotation part of the viewport, you can then navigate to that viewport. It's a detail viewport, so you can actually see where it goes. So you can see I've started to set up the site plan, garden 1. I've got garden 2 going. I've got the entrance stair started, and you can see I've got a section and a plan for that area. So I'm starting to develop from those document content analysis, I'm starting to develop the drawings that I need. And because I've done my analysis already, it's a lot quicker for me to set these drawings up. This is going to be our major project this year. We're going to take 4 of our workshop sessions to work through it. It's going to take us about 8 months to get through it. We're going to start right at the beginning with the document content analysis and work through the project step by step until we get everything we want. The budgeting, the planting, hardscapes, the building, the visualization, the technical drawings, the whole lot. Join us, become a member, and join us on this journey.